Hi, I'm Joe Mancino, and I teach AP Physics. Welcome to Open House, everybody. This is my 7th year teaching physics, although it's only my 3rd year at GHS. AP Physics is a great course to teach because of the diversity of exciting topics. We start with the basics, with force and motion, with energy and momentum. Our students explore gravitational interactions between stars and the planets that orbit them. They study electricity, circuits and magnetism, thermodynamics, optics, and nuclear physics. Through the labs in this course, students measure exciting things with really strange tools. In class, we just measured the speed of rockets basically by counting. We measured the acceleration of an elevator with a fancy bathroom scale. And later, we're going to count the stars in the sky with a meter stick and a stopwatch. And then we'll count the electrons on a metal sphere with a meter stick and a coffee cup. That'll be a lot of fun. We'll even measure the width of a human hair with a laser. Clearly not my hair. Anyhow, in order to accomplish all that, every day is jam-packed with activities. We perform a lab, or at least measure something, essentially every day. There are times for discussion, for argumentation, and for resolution. There are times for thinking quietly, times for thinking out loud. Our days will have conceptual practice, and practice with calculations. Coming at topics from so many different angles, students will come to know the big ideas of physics around which the AP Physics courses are built. Building and maintaining that kind of energy is challenging, and I'm grateful for the flexibility and enthusiasm my students bring to the work. Please, take time to talk at home about how physics class is going, about how all their classes are going. Junior year puts a lot of stress on students, and any show of support, big or small, goes a long way to helping them weather this school year with grace. The criteria and procedures document on my website is roughly the same as what you'd see for any other science class, and it is identical to the same document from the other AP classes. There's a lot of useful information in that document, but there's no me there. I know that when I meet my daughter's teachers for the first time, really the last thing that I want to do is see a 1,500-word document. I checked. It's over 1,500 words. My daughter's 12 now. She's in 7th grade, and all I ever wonder when I meet her teachers are two things. Does this teacher know what they're doing? And do they care about my kid? And I guess that's why you're here. That's what you're wondering. So the answer is yes to both. First of all, when I'm not at GHS, I work with the College Board as the high school co-chair of the AP Physics 1 Development Committee. That means I help develop the AP Physics 1 test and its rubrics every year. And although I chair the Physics 1 committee, I also write questions for AP Physics 2. These days, I'm what's considered a question leader when we score the exams. That is, I lead the team that trains the people who score the AP exams in June. For College Board, I serve as what's called a lead consultant, training new and existing AP Physics teachers, as well as a lead teacher who leads a team of teachers who produced over 100 video tutorials to help support AP Physics students. So when it comes to AP Physics 1 and AP Physics 2, yeah, I know what I'm doing. But that means I was also a physics major. I know about the joy of discovering something I never knew before. I know the way that learning physics changes the way someone looks at their world. But I also know about the sense of defeat that students can feel when they stare at a problem for 10 minutes. They haven't written a thing. They can't even figure out where to start. My class is approachable for all sorts of students, and there's something in it for all of them. There's something in my class for the introverts and the extroverts, for the artists, the musicians, the athletes, the philosophers, the mathematicians, whichever group a student is part of, there's something here for all of them. I honor their hard work by getting my grades in quickly, so we can learn from the work that we've just done. I respect their curiosity by encouraging questions and making sure every student has a voice. I make sure my students feel prepared for the AP exam in May by working on all sorts of released questions throughout the year. If you have questions about how class is going, just ask my students. They'll be honest. They'll tell you when a lesson goes really well and about the times when some parts are kind of a flop. But if you want to know where class is going, if you have questions about the AP program, about the ECE program, please reach out and ask. Email's the best way to get in touch with me, and I look forward to someday maybe meeting you in person once all this is over. Until then, please stay in touch, and thank you very much for watching.